Ner malaka nyam biya malaka Nuer online TV channel kejan gwas me te kon kalerum banaling deren me bere wich ka so Sudan gwas mi chikir me yadit sharwai chilat Dr. Yang Machaten ke kwiwut ke me shawuch wude shal ke Alfred Futuyo shalar no wo jaje ka teden wude me bana rwainti ko kin kula LinkedIn kon inshallah da self ke me yadit ka kwiwut kana me wude cha jo chere wi ka yambio ke ka Western Equatoria jan governor Alfred Futuyo aram kel kes pele mayo bana rajame bana janwa kel kan kono ni amre rajame mi jiram jedit ka Nuer online TV don jan changa nyam kaji goro jen wo jinder subscribe ka Nuer online TV ko de ler te shamala shub kaji ka goro jaben wo jinder notification bell de ya twain ko mi ler bende kan shub kaji ba kapet goro no jin bi comment ke bi charu mat gwazamo ka kuje nywa ka nasin ko kien are ler kana me bana racha long katin kontin che kirma yadit kalat ka kwiwut commercial ka Alfred Futuyo ala kirma yadit chala dojen Kiir explained Futuyo removal as a spelling pursue dialogue kirma yadit che dobe dane woje Alfred Futuyo che jalat me chaje jok Dr. Yoma Chatting Ramadan kula tek rande ka spelling men me cha kwanye wal re wicha ka yambio ko bela kwartan winami chetene ka rundang wan te kwarka ka jen te kwarko ran spele mayo lats ka jelet ka gwade dane sha transition government cha je chakri which ka South Sudan transition government jen e kuma me roi ka gwatot karwada lo cha kamja bom ka gwatot karwada mu wa queen gwen wajelat ba long ba je wutit kada ana mo misho de lari no governor Futuyo woi ka je re wi ka yambio Kiir ma yadit ka duo mishala geje engo wude me jene disloyal kie ngat kie chelat go chekala da jan jak insecurity ka bada tana rai wike yambio kie jak ka kor ka bada tana yambio ka tala mala ka kwide chela din go nana wo je Futuyo ka bom ko jan tele lus ke changot content yana rin ka chaka che gorno bagala let shi Kiir ma yadit che jan wo finyana jan Alfred Futuyo jan jak wo yambio ko bata ni aloki bata rai kore no jen dano woje jen jen bashe lus kidma yadi lara monamo en kwara yomo woy ka jaga shanka wel ka payre ron kin dangra jen dangra wide diech jen chete kwara karun te shop karun wan lat ka je kwerka ka me dane sha kuma men chala dieno shal transitional government me sha echa je ne dane we kwerka gwada me te ran bu kono kuling mi chala da selbe ke me yadit mi cha kwen che kul la reng machar ngai konen go reng machar che kir jogo no ne gor jen wo branda na me ala Alfred Futuyo bijel wo jok re wecha ka yambio bilat gwada ko shumen tamala position dane sha witin ala governor tera mi cha no kwentin Ramadan la acting governor men kan kwanye deputy de mednyam deputy de na mone je Ramadan en la ran kirma yadit men de gwa ut commercial ke Alfred Futuyo duno tele teram chala gwade leni jentin ka gwa matot mu aran spelling waje kwany brama mo be nyoka mi loja ka gwada ka deputy chairman ko gwa spelling mai wo mo gwadien teradin ba kame ka man dan ngai ka ko en western equatoria la yam yo te pinya spelling mai wo gwaza me la Futuyo mi woikeje te ga tichorian lat kam de kan kirma yadit no first by president Dr. Yang Machaten chelar ne ka gwade dan ajeni me cha Futuyo me cha je wo kan health minister Yolanda Awel ajeni dang malka me cha tan karon kina dangra wel badak chokir jogono na president Salva Kiir yadi cho jogono jin lu ni wude me lu nja gwade kami shi jen nyodo je gwano shi ngote ko ne cha yan pin shika dak no Kiir karaja dana chalat gwam che dolten ke jipade kade chela do ne ajene ken nyam ko gwaze dan chinero ko ne Dr. Yang Machaten ke kwiwut ko Michel Futuyo Alfred Futuyo ndan chero kul men cha ol joire we ke yambe ajene chinero ajene cha jok wude me chiande men te ke jeme be je wuch ke ja ko jen chana chekeling ajene chikana lat ken Yang Machar no dundo ken Yang Machar ken je gorno be wo nyamten president Kiir chejelar nena ka gwade dan me ba je kulo wojen wude shalke en Alfred Futuyo en cewar ga ceje gwar GS fele mayo cega jogo no nena la ram me bejo wo kuäär chawra mo che jokwen ka gwaye de da ne che do to ka chuji aspele mayo je jogono gone wo brama be je nyoka muluji je kuäär ci sepa kem yaddi che je logono anta che lar mu right kon tama to kur mu dite tin ka western equatoria karamadana nyi na ka je jen governor Alfred Futuyo jeramadana te in chai kene dialo kontin tin tar ka kor jenra me she loyal she ra mangada ka che chairman dung aspele mayo charo ke jebo ano ram me chankel barek bajetuk Alfred Futuyo barek bajetuk mu kan jaje wo wi ko ma jen chiro mo chikaro mo jena ko ne ga gwan mi sho kana Dr. Yung Machar jo me lada je gwada raje tin me lat ke Dr. James Wanega me lat ke je kuäär la Secretary General dung spelling party ajanan chewo chana je wo cha Dr. Yung Machar ten che jogono a wo Alfred Futuyo ajana shu Dr. Yung Machar lok ajana me che wo je tama okay kana banka duno che warga che gororga jana che warga da che kwen ajana shi Yung Machar che gororga ngo wuda me lo ni gwada lo ni gwada jana lo ni Alfred Futuyo lo ni gwada jan ta danan shi Yung Machar jokaja deputy chairman of SPLMIO oyet nasanel che larnena ajana buka right president Kiir mayardit ko bare ga me baje kapchong ka buga right ka kui Alfred Futuyo ka buga nyo right bono ka do badana Charles minister Yolanda chaje wikeje ko ne di ti wudien nyu da je gwano we cha ngot ten nyam cha ka tol ka kuje mo bine yi right ka Kiir mayardit ko barato ba ka nyok me lat ka kelet cho raje mo cho je kwene no ka do badana chikene ya pingeja baje kwen ya gwasa me ka do badana en biya linga je ka to English. President Salva Kiir has defended his decision to remove Western Equatoria Governor Alfred Futuyo Karaba, citing concern over what he said was disloyalty and a growing rebellion in the state. Mr. Futuyo was relieved from his position on 10th February 2025, 4 years after he was appointed to the transitional government under a SPLMIO ticket. First by President Dr. Yung Machar said in a statement that the removal of Futuyo and Health Minister Yolanda is a violation of the peace accord and urged President Salva Kiir to reinstate them. However, Kiir revealed in a speech to his party members that he had previously warned Dr. Yung Machar about the governor's conduct, but Dr. Yung Machar said his concerns were dismissed. The president further disclosed that after the governor removal, the chairman of SPLMIO wrote to him, requesting that he reconsider the decision and reinstate the dismissed official. As we speak here, there is a growing rebellion in Western Equatoria because the governor who was in charge has not been loyal to us. And I told the chairman of his party that this man will one day cause a problem, he said. Kiir Mayardit was speaking during the swearing ceremony of Dr. James Wanega as the Secretary General of SPLM Party. I say let us remove him, but my colleague refused. Now when this happened, he didn't come to me, but he wrote to me. I saw his writing. He wrote to me that I should reconsider my decision of dismissing the governor. Meanwhile, the deputy chairman of SPLMIO, Oyet Nasanel, said the party will pursue dialogue with President Kiir to resolve the matter, including the removal of Health Minister Yolanda Awil, which he termed as a violation of peace agreement. Oyet Nasanel, also the first deputy speaker of the National Legislative Assembly, said it is not the first time that their appointees have been removed without consensus. If we refuse to reinstate the governor, it still aggravates the violation which has already been committed, and this is not the first of its kind, that the president has removed ministerial officials appointed on ticket of others' party refused to reinstate them, he said. We shall pursue dialogue with the president on this matter. We have not yet exhausted avenue to address this matter. There's also the matter of the Minister of Health, which we are also discussing with the president. All this we hope will be resolved. On the night that President Kiir relieved him of his position without replacement, army hillmen allegedly attacked Futuyu at his residence, forcing him to leave the state capital Yambio. The SPLMIO leadership in Juba condemned what it said was an assassination attempt on Mr. Futuyu after the alleged assault by unidentified army men, adding that the official was served at a military barracks. Ajana dana shala ne me Kiir mayardit ajana wude me che bila let ko wude me jane disloyal kamugo ikona la tok ala SPLMIO tele Kiir mayardit tele teten ko dara paade mun dien wo der randi der jawo be jalon kaji paade ke der larno rama bine wuch duno wuje je ka bom ngo ko expect okaje tel mo ko expect lo man chala jene chaje bu wuch rama me disloyal che na che glut jene ko doctor mo chala jogno wude me a wocɛ, otherwise it's going to cause a problem ke jene to ko problem che cause gwade dana chaje wuch che nyen che yit kana ko ngoro ba yida na ko sen equatorial ko do bana Kiir mayardit lat ke ja jele dana gorde nywa ye kelna me en biata mal babay